This short video will show you exactly how to set up your onboarding package and use it with new and existing clients. Please click on the menu item in the menu bar and select Manage Onboarding Package. As you can see, you can customize the welcome message when this is sent. You can add up to 10 files using the Upload button, and if you need to, you can also include any number of URLs you need. Click Save to complete. Next, go to Manage Clients and click there. Now click on the 3 dots you see on the right side of the screen for the client you want to send the onboarding package to. Click Send Onboarding Package and it will take to you a customization screen. It will not be sent without you first customizing and authorizing it. Everything you added when you first set up the onboarding package will be seen here, but you can add or subtract any elements or change the text as needed. When complete, click Send Onboarding Package, and you are done.